Assalamu alaikum. This is E, the sound of E. We were made the video of her sound, her after. This is E. E. E is very simple and very easy to write. It is very easy to write. What is the formation of E? E is down with a dot on. E is down with a dot on. Just simple. Just put the finger of your child, put, go down and down. Just put the finger of your child, go down and a dot on. There is a dot. There is a dot on E sound. How to write E? Just put the finger, go down and dot on. There is a dot. E is just put a pencil, go down and down with a dot on. This is E. E. Put the finger, go down and with a dot on. This is E. E. We can see the vocabulary of E sound. This is I, the letter I, and the sound is E. The letter I and the sound is E. E ice, ice, ice. E ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. E igloo, igloo, igloo. E inch, inches. We can see inches on our ruler. Inch, inch. This is infant, a very young child. A very young child is called infant. Infant. We can see ink. E ink, e ink. E insect, insect. Its name is grasshopper, but it is insect. Insect. This is instruments, instruments. This is iron. E iron, e iron, e iron. E island, island. Island is a piece of a land with water all around it. This is island, island. And E sound जो है ये हमारा vowel भी है. There how many vowels in alphabets? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels पे हम एक अलग वीडियो बनाएंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला बाद में. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Okay, after the sound E, we are working on the sound J. 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 And what is the formation of J sound? You can see this is down and down. Turn a little and put a dot on. J is down and down. Turn a little and put a dot on. Look at this formation. J is down and down. Turn a little and put a dot on. Again, this is easy to write. J is down and down. Turn a little and put a dot on. This is J. I am showing you how to write J. Just put a pencil. Just go down and down. Move. Turn a little. Just J is down and down. Turn a little. Put a dot on. Again, J is go down and down. Turn a little with a put a dot on. This is J. J. The sound of J. And now we can see the vocabulary of J sound. This is J. J. And the sound is J. 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 We can see a jackal. A jackal. Jackal is a wild animal. A jackal. Jackal. Jackfruit. This is a jackfruit. It is very big fruit. Jackfruit. Jacket. jacket, jacket, jam, jam. We can see a jam, jam, jar, 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 jasmine, jasmine, jeans, 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 jelly. We can see a jelly, jelly, jeep, jeep, jeep. We can see jellyfish, jellyfish. And okay, assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This is the sound k. This is the sound k. We have done with the sound k, j after the sound k, and now we are starting on the sound of k. How to write k? K is down and give it a kick. K is down and give it a kick. K is just little tricky to write. How to make write? इसको बच्चा सीखने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगाता है as compared to other sounds. Just put a pencil or finger, just go down and down, little up and give it a kick. Put a pencil, go down and down, little up, go and give it a kick. This is k, k. How to write k? Simple. Just go down and down, little up and give it a kick. Again, put a pencil, go down and down, little up and give it a kick. This is k. The sound. Now we can see the vocabulary of k sound. This is the letter k and the sound is k. The letter k and the sound is k. Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. Canal, 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 cattle, 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 ketchup, ketchup. Key, this is key, key. This is keyboard, keyboard, keyboard. This is kick, kick. This is king, 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 kingfisher. This is a very beautiful bird, kingfisher, kingfisher. Kitchen. Okay, now tell me who works in the kitchen. Who will answer? Who works in the kitchen? This is the sound k, the letter k and the sound k. Hope you like my video. Allah Hafiz. Okay, assalamu alaikum. Here we can see the easiest sound. This is l, l. Ka after l, l. का जिस तरह थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी होता है, इल उतना ही आसान है. और इल जो है ये हमारी फर्स्ट वोकैबुलरी बास्केट में भी आता है. इल जो हम जब बच्चे को लिखना सिखाते हैं तो इल से ही स्टार्ट लेते हैं कि हाउ टू राइट इल. इल इज़ जस्ट डाउन एंड डाउन. इल इज़ जस्ट डाउन एंड डाउन. जस्ट पुट अ पेंसिल or the finger of your child and just down and down. L is down and down. L is down and down. It is very easy to write. We can see how to write L. Just put a pencil and go down. L. L. Just put a pencil and go down. L. एक बच्चा बहुत जल्दी सीख लेता है. जब उसकी पेंसिल होल्डिंग आ जाती है तो सबसे पहले हम उसे इल पे ही वर्क करवाते हैं और वो माशाल्लाह जल्दी कर लेते हैं. अच्छा, दिस इज़ द लेटर एल, एल एंड द साउंड इज इल. letter L, and the sound is L. Laces, laces, laces. After ladder, ladder, ladder. We can see ladybird, ladybird. This is a very beautiful insect, ladybird. We can see lake, lake, lake. Lamb, lamb. Sheep baby is called lamb. This is a baby of a sheep. This is lamb. This is lamp, lamp, lamp. This is leaf. Leaf is a part of a plant. This is leaf. Leg, leg. How do you walk? We walk with our legs. Walk. We walk with our legs. This is lemon, 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 lemon. What is the taste of a lemon? Lemon is sour, sour. इस तरह जब भी आप बच्चों को वोकैबुलरी बताएं ना, तो उसके डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन करते रहा करें उनसे, ताकि उनका जो माइंड हो वो वास्ट हो और उनको डिफरेंट चीज़ें पता हो, साथ साथ पता चलती रहें. दिस इज ल्यूपर्ड, ल्यूपर्ड. इट हैज़